Hello everyone, Kingdom Silver here, and today I am discussing my strategy for stacking gold and silver in 2025. And without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Let's dive right in. The first part of my strategy for stacking gold and silver in 2025 is I'm primarily looking for deals that are at spot price. Now, I'm at a place with my stack that I feel pretty comfortable with where I'm at, and I'm looking to strategically get in when I'm seeing those deals at spot. And an example of what I was able to do at the end of 2024 is these right here. This is actually the first time I've added these to my stack. These are St. Helena 1.25 ounce rose crowns, and I really like this design, and it's a bonus that it has the queen on the back. I just cannot get used to King Charles. So this is a part of my strategy, stacking at spot. The second part of my strategy is primarily stacking coins. Now, the reason that I am planning on doing this is that in fact, a lot of the states in the United States where I'm from are putting into effect laws or trying to pass laws that allow you to use coins, gold and silver, to pay off private and public debts in those states. And so because of that, I was someone that primarily stacked rounds and bars because typically you can get more ounces for your money, more bang for your buck. However, with these new laws being enacted, I believe that it just makes more sense because a lot of them say that they have to be minted from a governmental entity, right? So it doesn't specify that has to be just the US, but it needs to be from a governmental entity. So because of that, when I find the premiums reasonable, I am looking to stack Britannias, I am looking to stack Canadian maple leaves, and I am also looking to stack this right here, the American Silver Eagle. Now that may surprise some because I came out with a video not too long ago, in fact one of the most viewed on my channel, that was talking all about staying away from Silver Eagles. And the whole point of that video was not to say that you can't invest in Silver Eagles, right? That you can't stack Silver Eagles. What I was saying is at the time I wasn't seeing the value of the premiums as compared to some other coins that I felt were on the market. However, there's been some changes, and I'm in a position with my stack currently to where, hey, I can be more selective and look for those deals on the Silver Eagles as opposed to just trying to rush out and get a solid stack of whatever the best cheap silver is out there. So for me, it just makes sense to start stacking these three coins. The last part of my strategy for 2025 is I'm actually looking into fractional gold. And for an example of this, these two guys right here, these are 10th ounce gold Britannias. Love the look of them, and these were some that I was actually able to pick up, one of these at spot and one of these at $5 over spot during the Black Friday sales. And to me, it just makes sense to have a little bit more gold in my stack. Have primarily focused more on silver, but I feel like I just needed a little bit more exposure to gold, diversifying just a little bit. And so because of that, I am going to be adding these to my stack in 2025. That will do it for the video today, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like this, comment. Would love to hear your thoughts on the video. It helps me out, but more importantly, it gets the word out about gold and silver. So with that, be blessed, be a blessing to others. We'll see you later.